So, alright, guys, Jan is over and I'm on my journey to make 2 crore rupees. Let's see how much I have earned in January, the first month. I was supposed to make an average of 16 lakh 66,000. Let's see how much I have earned in Jan. So, there you go. I'm on V Commission, the affiliate network which I've worked with. And so, this is my account. Kunal Chaudhary, and let's go to performance report. So there you go. So I have made 15 lakh 30,513 rupees in the very first month since I took this challenge. And the number of clicks 3 lakh 94,000, and the conversion stands at 8,687. So let's see what offers did I promote in Jan. AliExpress, I got 5,876 conversions, and I got maximum payout from AliExpress. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you're watching this video right now, then these are some of the top campaigns which have been working for me, which I am making money from these right now, as you can see. And I will definitely recommend you that you try these campaigns. And Expedia, hotels. So this year I've changed my strategy. What I've started doing is that till last year I was doing a lot of e-commerce websites, and this year I've changed it a bit. I'm not just sticking to e-commerce, but I have also started doing some travel campaigns, like as you can see, it's Expedia, hotels, and booking.com. So how much these paid me? So AliExpress paid me almost 9 lakhs, as you can see out here, the payout. And Expedia 3,16,000, hotels almost 3 lakh, that is 2,99,000, booking.com just 15,000. I tried it. So there you go, guys. So this is my income, and every month I will be revealing exactly how much I will make. I have made that particular month. All right, I'll also be telling you how I have been doing affiliate marketing. So I'll just give you a hint of how I promoted, okay, how I am doing these campaigns. So I am doing a lot of media buying. Okay, I'm doing a lot of media buying. From where, that is something which obviously I cannot tell you right now. But if you are an internet marketer and you can do media buying, then I will definitely recommend these campaigns which have been working for me. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and as you know already, if in case you would like to know how affiliate marketing works and you would like to make a career in it, part-time, full-time, then the third course in Masters in Digital Marketing program, which is Kunal's master classes, how to make money with affiliate and blogging. So these are the this particular course number 3, this one I am going to train you in. Alright, so I'm going to reveal everything, how I have been making money in affiliate marketing since 2008, 2009. Alright, I have always done affiliate marketing part-time along with other things which I've been doing, other businesses of mine. So just see if there's something which you would really want to do. What you can do is you can attend a demo session at DSIM and see how digital marketing works, what you're going to learn in this training program. So as of now, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.